Hi, I'm Diana with AED Brands, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your Philips OnSite AED supplies. Let's see how it's done. We'll start by taking your device out of its carry case. You can just unzip the case and pull open the lid. Your device is velcroed in, so you might have to pull to get it out. Then you can take your carry case and place it to the side. You'll turn your device over, locate and remove your battery. You'll need to recycle your old battery. Take your new battery, pop it in until you hear it click. It will talk to you, so don't be alarmed.
If the orange button is flashing, press it.
If the button is flashing, press it.
Verified.
It will say testing for up to a minute. That is normal, so don't be alarmed.
Ready for use. In case of emergency, press the green on-off button.
Replacing your pads. You can locate your pad's expiration date at the bottom of the cartridge. You can find the tab at the top of your device, slide it over, and your pads will pop right out. Your device will begin talking to you once the pads have been removed, so don't be alarmed.
Insert pads cartridge.
You can throw your old pads away. Take your new pads and pop them into the device until you hear a click. Be careful not to pull the lever, or else your pads will expire much quicker than their expiration date. Now you can put your device back in the carry case. And you'll see that your Rescue Ready light is blinking green and should be shown through the window in the lid. And your device is Rescue Ready. We hope you found this video to be helpful. If you have any other questions, give us a call because we're in it for life.